Hello, Dick. Where are you? I have arrived at Jakarta. I'm in front of the mall. So where are you?
I'm at our front.
Oh,
At the starting of the week, at Summit Talks, you'll hear them speak. It's only Monday. Negotiations breaking down. See those leaders start to frown. It's sword and gun day.
Stop it. Get some help.
Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam.
Dick, like I said before, so I have a job interview, and can you bring me to the station bus at Indian?
Sure, I guess. Why not?
So can we go right now?
Alright.
Sure. Okay, let's go.
Okay, let's go.
Hello, excuse me, sir. How can I help you? Can I get a ticket bus to Ciledug as soon as possible? Okay, what kind of bus do you want? Whatever. You can take Prima Jasa bus at 10 a.m. You want to take it? Yes, of course. Okay, you can go to the bus stop 7 right now. The price is 15,000 rupiah.
Okay,
You want cash or debit?
this a case. Okay. Wait a second. Here's the case.
Thank you. Here's the ticket. Have a nice trip.
Okay, thank you, sir. Have a good day.
Okay.
1 hour later.
Excuse me, sir. Do you know where is kantor bola?
Oh, kantor bola. You just go straight,
Go straight.
yeah, till you find end of corridor. You turn right,
Okay.
and you can find in the outdoor is bola company.
Also, I just go straight and
Yeah.
then turn right,
Yeah,
and I will see kantor bola. Is it?
yeah, the sign.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
I read the CV. It's pretty good, but we can't accept you. You know why? Because you're 2 hours late. You don't have discipline. Get out of here.
Lagi yang bisa ku lakukan tanpamu. Ku hanya bisa mengatakan apa yang ku rasa. Ku menangis membayangkan betapa kejamnya dirimu atas diriku. Kau duakan cinta ini. Kau るのは嫌だ